What's up, folks? Here we are with another video. It's early in the morning. It's 6:30 on a school day, so we have to do this video kind of quick. But this is the Switch 2 unboxing. I'm gonna grab this. I need to work my way to the Switch.
The Switch is gonna be last.
Yeah.
We'll show
What should we do first? I say Joy-Con. So we're starting off with the Joy-Con.
Joy-Con 2s. You'll love the Joy-Cons.
So I'm right there.
Maybe I should get some scissors.
Now I got it. Oh, just fell.
Let's take a new look at the Joy-Con 2s. So this thing, I think it's for the mouse.
This is the mouse thingy and that's the thingy thing. So they're in like little thingies. How do you open these? Oh, right there.
Ooh, the new Joy-Con feels nice.
Oh, yeah. We got an extra pair of Joy-Con.
I will tell you, the bumpers, when you're holding it sideways, they actually feel big. And then let's go with the games.
No, how about screen protector?
We don't need to open it. It's just a screen protector.
And then let's... Dang, spit this. Screen protectors in here. It's fine.
And then the games. Let's start with the more popular one.
That Mario Kart World.
Here, it's
No,
it's in the thing.
no, but there's a strap. There's like a cord.
Yeah. I'll open Breath of the Wild.
Okay.
So here's Breath of the Wild, Nintendo Switch 2 edition.
Or you could go like this. And like kind of peel. And it's not. Dang, this is kind of stuck on here.
There's scissors over there.
Like for any other
Down there.
Like for any other game consoles. I don't need scissors, but I guess they made it super hard.
Alright, so right here, Breath of the Wild, Switch 2 edition. And then pretty empty at the inside, just red. Lake is climbing.
I finally just put back a bit. Now I finally kind of.
Oh, and by the way, they have new side covers. So here's Breath of the Wild. We finally got it. Took 8 years. We got it.
Here is the cover art of Mario Kart World. Back and then the inside with the game case.
That's
right
pretty cool.
there. Yeah, they made pretty good detail in there.
Alright. Next up, the carrying case.
We need it because we go on like trips. So.
Yes, it's an essential. My old carrying case. Oh, should I get it to compare the size?
Yeah,
Oh, you should get your Switch to compare the size of it.
I will.
I'll go get your Switch.
Okay.
We can compare the Joy-Cons. Oh, there's a few things I need to get. Just show the screen protector on the back. I need the...
Stuck on them good, folks.
One more thing I need to do. I'll be back in a minute.
Trying to pry it open right now. Like here. this is really good. They really got this
So
good
let me do a
on here.
comparison really quick. This is the Switch 2 game case size comparison. They're very similar.
They are the same, I'm pretty sure. Oh my gosh. If you want to skip to the Nintendo Switch 2, it'll be up in like a minute.
And this is the Joy-Con comparison.
Yeah, because you see those,
They're way bigger.
yeah. So there's like, is that a sticker or something? I'm pretty sure that's a bombs. Like one of those Kirby bomb stickers. Whoa, this black one.
It's really cool.
This is a carrying case.
Wait, one sec. There's stuff I have to fix.
Good.
So bubble wrap. Of course, the red and the blue button. Newt, can we do a size comparison? Gonna put it back here.
This is bigger.
Actually, it's not that much bigger.
Where's the handle for this thing? You just load it from here, I guess.
And now we've made it to the big boy.
The
Switch 2.
I think you do it from where?
It's down here on the back. We got number 15 at GameStop.
Number 15.
Midnight release. Let's just tackle the box.
We're number 15 on the line.
Yes.
Yeah.
Took like 30 minutes. Whoa, ho, ho. Let's show the box first, the inside of the box. Right here, the screen and the Joy-Cons.
This just seems so much bigger.
More Joy-Cons.
And look, the Switch too.
Show them the sides.
There's a blue side, just this side if you could see, and then there's
The
another.
red side. Alright, guys. There's more in here. Let's take this off.
Look how sick this black screen is.
Oh, it's like the OLED. It's not. If you show yours, there's not the surrounding black. It's just all black.
Comparison, it's almost as big as my Switch with the Joy-Cons.
And it has the full thing black. Next up, let's tackle the dock.
You know what I want to do real quick?
What? Wait, show that on camera.
Oh, no.
It's a little too high. Oh.
And then with the other, go like,
Ooh. Alright, next up, folks, we got the Switch 2 dock. It's more rounded.
this just feels way bigger.
As you guys can see.
This feels so much bigger.
This is the inside of the dock.
It just feels crazy that I'm holding a Switch 2.
Can I feel it?
Yeah. This feels crazy that I'm holding a Switch 2.
It feels amazing.
I know.
Alright,
And then there's like, what's in there?
this is the Joy-Con grip.
Oh.
I'll use our extra Joy-Cons and put them on here.
And then the cables to charge it. So maybe we should start getting everything
Oh,
ready.
these snap on too.
Maybe we should end the video and get everything set up.
In a minute.
Yeah. This kind of looks like a mess, but look.
It looks like a Switch 2.
It just feels so much taller, though.
Yeah. And that is it in the box. Thank you all for watching. Well, I did get a request
What?
So to take off the Joy-Cons, there's a button right here.
Uh-huh.
So take them off it. So put it back up.
Oh.
I got a request by my friends to test how strong it is. Not full power, but use a little bit of power without pressing the button. We have extra Joy-Cons. So pretty strong.
I used half my power.
I'll use half my power.
Yeah.
That's pretty strong. That can survive. Well,
Now we should put on the screen protector before touching the screen again.
yep.
Or walking around.
Let's turn it on for the first time on camera. All consoles have an intro. See if it needs to charge.
Let's see.
There it is. Nintendo. Thank you all for watching today's Nintendo Switch 2 unboxing video. We will see everyone in the next one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.